One day you may find true love that will last forever and ever. Till then you'll spend a lifetime wishing one together. You never thought he'd say goodbye, and you'll never understand the reasons why. Heart of mine, how will you keep from dying? Stop the reminiscing. Who is he kissing? Heart of mine, oh, what's the use in trying? No one can mend you now. Love plays cruel games. You can't believe he's found another lover. Does he miss me? Sometimes you just can't help but wonder. No, you can't hold the hands of time, and you'll always be the one he left behind. And you'll always be the one he left behind. Oh, heart of mine, how will you keep from dying? Stop the reminiscing. Who is he kissing? Heart of mine, oh, heart of mine, oh, what's the use in trying? No one can mend you now. And you will never understand the reasons why. How will you keep from dying? Stop the reminiscing. Who is he kissing? Heart of mine, oh, heart of mine, oh, what's the use in trying? No one can mend you now. Heart of mine, oh, heart of mine, heart of mine, heart of mine, heart of mine. you feel you can. Reach for a star and I'll show you a plan. I figured it out, what I needed was someone to show me. You know you can't fool me. I've been loving you too long. It started so easy. You wanna carry on, carry on. Lost in love and I don't know much. Was I thinking aloud and fell out of touch? But I'm back on my feet and eager to be what you wanted. So lift your eyes if you feel you can. Reach for a star and I'll show you a plan. I figured it out, what I needed was someone to show me. You know you can't fool me. I've been loving you too long. I've been loved too long. It started so easy. You wanna carry on, carry on. Lost in love and I don't know much. Was I thinking aloud and fell out of touch? But I'm back on my feet and eager to be what you wanted. You know you can't fool me. I've been loving you too long. I've been here too long. It started so easy. You wanna carry on, carry on, carry on. Lost in love and I don't know much. Was I thinking aloud? Fell out of touch, but I'm back on my feet and eager to be what you wanted. Now I'm lost, love, and I don't know much. Lost in love, fell out of touch. Lost in love, eager to be what you wanted. Now I'm lost, lost in love, fell out of touch. Lost in love, eager to be what you wanted. There's something I want to tell you. There's something I think that you should know. It's not that I shouldn't really love you. Let's take it slow. When we get to know each other, and we're both feeling much stronger, then let's try to talk it over. Let's wait a while longer. So let's wait a while. Before it's too late, let's wait a while. Before we go too far, let's wait a while. Before we go too far. Remember that special night when all of the stars were shining bright. We made our first endeavor to stay together. We made our very first promise to love, to share and be real honest. But on that very first night, it wasn't quite right. Let's wait a while. Before it's too late, let's wait a while. Our love will be great, let's wait a while. Before we go too far. I didn't really know not to let all my feelings show, to save some for later, so our love can be greater. You said you would always love me. Remember I said the same thing to you. Don't have to be frightened with my love, because I'll never give up on you. Let's wait a while before it's too late. You know you can't rush love. It's too late, let's wait a while. Wait a while. We'll be great, let's wait a while. Before we go too far, far, far. Let's wait a while. Let's just take our time. Let's wait a while. Love's so good, sure our love will be there. Slow it down before we go too I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room's pitch dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone. And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end though. Alone. Till now, I always get by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. Oh, you don't know how long I have waited, and I was gonna tell you tonight. But the secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown. Alone. Oh.